guys will see my reasons. As you can see, guys, this was a beautiful win. All right, the VWAP indicator and the Fibonacci retracement tool, it's insane. It's really insane, guys.
Nice.
What's popping, guys? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will show you guys how to trade using the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price line, in combination with the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's get started. So guys, one big question is, will it be a good profitable trading strategy combination, like using the VWAP and the Fibonacci retracement tool? Will it be a profitable combination? We're going to find that out in this video, so stay to the end of this video to find that out if it's a good strategy or not. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. And don't forget to like this video and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm, so we can help more people find this video. And if you have any questions and video ideas you want me to make, please drop a comment and I'll make sure to answer and make that video request. Enjoy the video. Trading just the VWAP alone is kind of risky, you know. You have to, I always talk about having some more confluences, and using the VWAP in your trading strategy can really make a difference. All right, it's gonna really make some really huge difference in the way you trade. And you guys also watched, I don't know if you guys have also watched if you've watched my Fibonacci retracement video, you guys will see that, okay, the Fibonacci retracement tool is actually a great trading indicator, like trading tool to use in your trading strategy, just to add in some more confluences. So if you add these two videos together, which is the VWAP and the Fibonacci, and these two tools together, let's see if it's going to be profitable, guys. We will do this together and let's see if it's going to be profitable. So first and first, you have to come and get the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price line. And once you get that, you click and it's on your chart right there. You can see the VWAP line. And let's get so I won't get my Fibonacci tool now until I see an entry. So in that video I said, when you see the price above the VWAP line, like if you guys want to watch the video on the VWAP strategy, so you get to understand in depth on how to trade using the VWAP, because I won't be going too in depth in this video, but I'll give you guys I'll give you guys the rules and how I use the VWAP and how to use the Fibonacci together with the VWAP. But if you want to watch the videos individually, you can click the link in my description to find the two videos. I will leave them there so you guys can check them out. The volume weighted average price line holds more value than a regular moving average. So when we see price below the VWAP line, it's a strong sign that the market is in the downtrend. And when the VWAP price is coming close to this VWAP line, it's coming back to its average price. All right, the price smashed through the VWAP and came all the way down. So the further away the price is from the VWAP line, the more likelihood it's going to get back. It's going to snap back to the VWAP line, which is as you can see at this point, it snapped back to the VWAP line. So what am I going to do now? After seeing this breakout and this run down, I will bring out my VWAP line. I'm looking for the market to retrace. So it's not that easy. It's really easy, I meant to say. So I'll bring out my Fibonacci retracement tool and draw the line from this, because this is where the market smashed down. The market went a little bit up with these two green candlesticks, and the market really just went crazy and went down all the way to this point. So I'll bring out my Fibonacci tool and draw it from that wick straight down to this point, where I say if the market was at this point and I see this engulfing and like this green candlestick, and I see this, and I'm like, okay, the market is trying to retrace. All right, so the main thing is we're trying to catch the retracement, and at this point I'm looking to get in on the 50 or the 61.8 zone. So let's bring this in and draw our line. So basically, guys, as you can see, I said in those videos that, guys, if you can go back and watch them so you can get a clear understanding of this video, I said I want to just take a trade based on a retracement to that point. I need to wait for an entry, which is an engulfing candlestick. Guys, you guys need to go watch that video so you guys get full in-depth understanding. I keep saying this. So I see an engulfing candlestick at this point, which is my entry signal. All right, so I'm looking to get on this trade for a 2x ATR. All right, so the value of this candlestick, you can see the ATR at this point. Just look below there, below that point, so which is 19. So 19 times 2 is obviously going to be 38. All right, so I just wanted you guys to see it. I'm not that good at maths. So 38 pips top and it wants 1.5. If you guys watch that video, I keep saying it, you guys will see my reasons. As you can see, guys, this was a beautiful win. All right, the VWAP indicator and the Fibonacci retracement tool, it's insane. It's really insane, guys. But guys, trade at your own risk. So guys, because you see this win doesn't mean it works all the time. All right, no strategy works 100% of the time. So you guys need to trade this with a grain of salt and trade at your own risk. It is not all bed of roses. All right, they're gonna be losing streaks and winning streaks. They'll be losing days and winning days. So it is just an example of how you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool and the VWAP to trade. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found value in this video, do not forget to like this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to share so more people can see this video and, you know, become profitable traders. And do not forget to subscribe, guys. Help me reach 1 million subscribers. That is my goal for next year. Help me beat that 1 million subscribers. Let's be the biggest family in the Forex niche on YouTube. I know we can do that. Obviously we can. All right, I want to say a big shout out and a big thank you to the 48 people that subscribe to this channel. You guys are really crazy. You know, with what I do on this channel, I really don't do anything special, but you guys subscribe. You guys are amazing. You guys are the best. I want to say a big thanks to all of you guys who like these videos, who like my videos, subscribe, share, comment, and it's a lot of love, so much love. Big shout out to all of you guys once again. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay EXO.